Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment in our Easy DIY series. And in this series, we are going to learn how to make an easy DIY pillow spray to help you sleep at night. Now, these are the things that you're going to need. I already have it measured out. You're going to need 2 ounces of witch hazel if you don't have distilled water. If you have distilled water as well, it will be 1 ounce of the witch hazel and 1 ounce of the distilled water. Here is the witch hazel right here. As I said, it's already pre-measured into the measuring cup that I just did. You are going to need a spray bottle. This is the spray bottle. And 30 drops of your essential oil that you can use. You can use cedarwood, geranium, sweet orange, or lavender for this. I am going to be using the geranium. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour the witch hazel into here like so. In the full 2 ounces. Just like that. And then we're going to take 30 drops, which is basically just about a dropper full of this. I will count them out so you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 23. Okay, so we're going to need more. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I now have my 30 drops. I'm going to put just a little bit more in mine because my hand was a little shaky, so some of it spilled on my desk. Okay. Now, of course, when you're done with everything, you want to make sure your covers are on tight so it doesn't spill. Okay, and then we're going to put the cover on this like that. And you're just going to gently mix it together. And there you go. You now have your easy DIY natural pillow spray to help you sleep at night. Now, to use this, you would take your pillow and you would spray a few sprays on your pillow. And you can see it's very easy. You can buy these spray bottles at your H-E-B or Walmart or, any of them little stores. And they're pretty inexpensive. The witch hazel's not that expensive. And your DIY, your essential oils, of course, aren't that expensive either. And that's why these are so nice and so easy, because they're inexpensive, simple things you can do at home to help you sleep, relieve stress and anxiety, and help you through the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. Bye. Have a great day.